Hello, welcome to our condo that is almost done being remodeled. I wanted to give you guys an updated tour, so come on in. Here you go. Hopefully that will keep him calm so we can film this real quick, but this is our little breakfast, kind of breakfast lunch area we like to sit in. I just have these cute little chairs with a cactus. I love this light. I think it is so cool and different. It's from IKEA, and I actually really like a little touch of black too, which I've never decorated with any sort of black, but we have a couple little accents in here. You like it? That I think look really cool. So we also got new curtains, you guys. This was a huge change. We had like the most ugly old blinds that had been like painted shut. So we took all those down and hung up these really pretty like sheer linen curtains. And we have to get a new door here still, but lots of good stuff in there. And then over here is the kitchen. So this is probably like the biggest change, and I feel like it's my dream kitchen. When they actually finished this yesterday afternoon, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna bring my mattress and my pillows in here, and I'm just gonna live in here because this is like my dream kitchen. I think it's so cool. So I explained to you guys a little bit about what we're doing or what we did, but these are the same cabinets. It's the same layout as before. They just put new doors on. So it's actually really cool. You can see here like the old ones were kind of yellowing. So anything that's showing from the outside, they put new like white, they're almost like stickers. And then they just hung up the new doors and the new handles. I think it looks really pretty, and I wanted to give a special shout out to Grove Collaborative. They have sponsored today's video so I can show you guys kind of how I am organizing our kitchen and finding some really good, safe, family-friendly products to use for cleaning and dishes and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys all that. I love Grove because it helps me keep my house clean and organized. You get all of your essentials delivered every month. They have a ton of stuff from different brands. I personally love their in-house brand, but I also really love Caldrea as well. My favorite scent is the Sea Salt Neroli. One of my favorite Caldrea products is actually the countertop spray. I use it here in the kitchen, also in the bathroom. Caldrea is actually now only online, so Grove is one of the few places you can get it from. So I have a bunch of their stuff. I love the little dish brushes. This bamboo tray is like super cute out as like decor, but it's also just great when you're cutting up veggies and stuff for breakfast or lunch. You don't want to make too big of a mess. So Grove is super customizable. You can always change your shipment date based on what you and your family needs. And you guys, all these products are really safe for my home, my family, so I always feel good using them and recommending them to you. They have literally everything from cleaning, dish towels, detergent. I'll have all the info below. I partner with them to give you guys this great free offer. When you sign up and spend $20 on your first order, you'll get this free little kit that includes the Caldrea dish soap, the countertop spray, the Grove Bubble Up dish brush, which is super cute, the walnut scrubber sponges, free shipping, and a free 60-day VIP trial. So it's valued at over $30. It's a great deal. I love all of these products. And if you spend $39 or more, you'll also get the little side tray that goes on your sink. This looks so pretty. You can put like all your soaps and lotions in that and kind of display it. And if you already use Grove, you can get a free set of their walnut scrubber sponges. So I will have the link down below in the description box. So yeah, I just think it looks really pretty and fresh. We got this new countertop too. This is called Cambria, and it's like a quartz. We brought it all the way up instead of doing a different backsplash, which I think really kind of modernizes the place. And Michael and I really wanted to do like some glossy, shiny, white, modern cabinets, but I felt like if we ever wanted to sell this place or rent it out, these we're gonna stay in style for a lot longer and just be more timeless. So I'm really happy with it. We have a little coffee machine. Oh, and we got new appliances too. And you guys, I was considering doing white appliances, but everyone in the comments was like, no, you'll regret it. Like the stainless will also just be in the style a lot longer. And I'm so glad that I got the stainless because I feel like it kind of breaks up the white. If it's too white, I just feel like it all kind of blends together. So this really helps different things stand out and look really cool. So we love it. So this is our little entryway. This runner is from Wayfair. You guys always ask about it. It was really affordable. Nice to have here. Julian's always like crawling on it, going back and forth from the kitchen to his playroom. But I wanted to show you his bedroom slash guest room. So this is just a small little room, but I think it's really coming together and looking so cute. So I wanted this just to be kind of like beachy, kind of boho too. So we got this new bedding. I got like all the sheets and everything from Target, but I got the duvet cover and those 2 pillowcases from Restoration Hardware. And then this other pillow I think is from Target too. It's so cute. I feel like it kind of gives that boho vibe. And we got the little nightstands in here. We got the little jute rug, which kind of helps center the space. This is from Wayfair too. And I got like a really pretty photo of all these like surfboards in Hawaii that we're gonna put right here. We're so excited. We're bringing Julian to Hawaii in like, what, 2 months now? The spring.
Yeah.
We can't wait. So yeah, we're excited. But I also got this cute little bin. This just has like his lotions and all his kind of stuff that he uses like after a bath. This cute little thing from Target with the fake leaves. I think it looks really cute. So that's all we've done in here. Oh, and Michael hung his light.
Yeah, give me some props. I hung all of our lights.
So we have like 1 million ceiling fans in here. And I had picked out these like really cool kind of like beachy ones, but Michael was like, that's way too Tommy Bahama. You need to do something more modern and sleek. So he picked these out and he hung them all, which, very proud of you. Next up we have the den kind of playroom area. I didn't pick it up for the video because Julian's been playing in here all day, but this is just kind of where he hangs out during the day. We have his little Amazon play mat, all of his toys. You can come in. This is his smart house. He has a blast in here, and we just have this big sleeper sofa. We can sit on it when we're playing with him in here, or if we have people come and stay with us and there are already people in that room, then this will pull out to a bed. So we're considering maybe getting like some curtains or something so you can kind of get some more privacy if people are staying in here, but for now, it's pretty much just his playroom, Colby's bed. This is all of our stuff to go home because we're leaving in the morning.
No.
So sad, but yeah, we just have work stuff over here. But it's kind of nice because it has like the half wall, so it kind of blocks all the colors and the toys and everything, but he can still have his play stuff out all the time. Now moving into the dining area, we picked out this table and we're both obsessed with it. I just think it looks so cool. It really gives this place more of that beachy feel, don't you think?
Yeah, I love the table.
We love the table. And we got these like really cool Scandinavian chairs. Pretty much everything for this place I bought online from places like Wayfair and House and Amazon, stuff like that. So I will link as much as I can down below, as well as the Grove stuff. But yeah, I love these little things too. And I was FaceTiming with Frankie last night and she's like, what are those? And I was like, I don't know, but they're just kind of cool. They're like candle holders and I think they look really just kind of fun. I love these modern bar stools too, but you guys can see we're not like completely done with the renovations yet. We still have to fix the drywall underneath the sink. So for now, I'm not gonna do that until next month when we come back. For now, this kind of hides it. But I love these bar stools too. They're white leather on the front, the walnut on the back. I think all the different like wood tones help this place. It kind of like breaks it up and gives it some texture and some color without it being like color. You know what I mean? Like it's all neutrals, but the different tones of wood, I just think it's really cool. So this is our living room. We are obsessed with how this is coming together as well. So I showed you guys this triptych photo from last time. We finally got it hung up, and this is the correct way. It is supposed to go blue, then sand, which I actually think looks nice because if it was the other way around, it'd be weird to have like tan, then blue. I feel like the blue in the middle kind of looks good. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I love those.
Love those. I think I'm gonna get something on the wall over here too, like maybe a mirror or something, but for now it's just blank. So this is our sectional that we love. It is so comfortable. It's like our dream sectional. It's from Row of Concepts. It's a really beautiful fabric. I think we chose the one called Coconut, but it's actually 4 pieces. So you can move this to whatever side you need it to. It's kind of got that modern beachy kind of look too. It has like the silver, I don't know, underneath. Like just the kind of the style of it looks more modern to me. It's so comfortable. I love it. Colby lays on it all day. He'd be laying on it right now, but he's at the groomers. So anyways, we got this coffee table. I know some of you guys are gonna love it and some of you are gonna hate it, but we love it and we live here, so that's all that matters. It's just a really cool kind of like tree trunk.
It's so heavy.
It's really heavy, it's really nice, and there's nothing like it's all completely smooth, and like it has a gloss over it. So there's nothing like Julian couldn't get a splinter on it, like there's no sharp edges or anything, but when he comes in this room, we're always with him because there's obviously other stuff in here that he could kind of, you know, get hurt on, so he's never in here alone. He's never anywhere alone, I mean, really, but still. We have all these candles and stuff, which I think look really nice too. And then this chair we just got in. So this is also from Rove Concepts, and we've been waiting on this one for a while. It's kind of like, we got it and we're like, huh, weird, it's huge. But when you sit on it, it's like the most comfortable. It's
pretty
chair.
Comfortable.
It's so comfortable. Like we both just come in here and sit on it now. It has like the pillow at the perfect spot.
Kind of like laying on a hammock.
Yeah, it is. Like it's really just soft. I think it's so cool. And then we have just this little table back here for now, which I think is cool. I am gonna get like a fiddle leaf fig or some big tree. I feel like it needs some greenery right here that's kind of like tall, like it needs some height. So yeah, we thought this chair was gonna be a lot smaller, so it was gonna fit either here or in our bedroom, but it's huge. It's really cool. So we have it here. Oh, you guys have been asking about this rug too. It's kind of like, what do they call that? Herringbone. This is from, I think, Wayfair too. And then all the furniture in here is from Rove, so this is also from Rove Concepts. So really pretty, it's kind of like low, more modern TV stand. And I have a little vase and a candle. We light a lot of candles here. It looks really pretty at night. We can open this all the way. And it's just kind of like an indoor-outdoor. The sunset looks so pretty out here. And we have some plants and stuff. We're waiting on our new furniture out here, but for now this stuff works great. It's really fun to kind of eat dinner out here, have a glass of wine and watch the sunset. We have had like the best time. So that's pretty much everything except for our bedroom, which is not complete yet and also kind of a mess since we're packing right now. So I will show you guys that in the next one. So I think the next update will probably be the last final tour where I have everything kind of put together, stuff on the walls. I'll show you guys our master bedroom and the bathroom. We're redoing the bathroom next month. So I'll show you guys all of that in the next one. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little update. Thanks so much to Grove Collaborative for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.